Hi guys, Lindsay, and in this video,
They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving.
and what you need to do, you need to plug in your charger while holding the home button. So you need to do it like this. Keep holding the button. Now you will see this sign right here. On your computer, you should see that iTunes software showing up. So you will need to install iTunes before doing this. You can see the iTunes icon blinking there. It will show up like this, and if you look closely, it is asking us here if we would like to restore, and you can see where it is asking us if we would like to update. So to restore your tablet to factory settings, all you have to do here is just click the restore button, and normally it will download the firmware for this device. And that's all we have to do. Seeing that I had already downloaded the firmware for this iPad, you can see that it is extracting at the top here, and it will be loaded on our device. Yeah, so that's how you can restore your device to factory settings. It will take some time, and I am going to just guide you the entire step right through the procedure. So here iTunes is now telling us on the computer that it is preparing for restore. So here you can see now that the iPad is now restoring, and if you look closely, you can see the process bar here. So you can see that the bar is here, and when this is finished, the device is now restored to factory settings. And that's how you can update your iPad. is how you can update your iPad easily. So I hope that this video was helpful, guys, and if you're new here on my channel, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos.